It's too late to start learning how to code. It would have been better if you started 10 years ago, or 5 years ago, maybe even last year, but now it's way too late. A common misconception people have when they want to start learning how to code, but the question is it really too late? Programming, which is different than coding, has now become an extremely saturated market in IT. Everyone wants to learn how to program, build games, websites, and apps. According to thejournal.com, almost 60% of all US citizens see programming as vital to their future success, and 45% of the US can or is learning how to program. That is over 150 million people in only one country, which I'm not going to lie is a lot of people. And because of this, becoming successful and finding a career in programming won't be as easy as it previously was. But is it too late? The answer is no. It might not be the golden era to be successful as a programmer, but it's definitely not too late to learn how. Now, there are so many myths and misconceptions on programming and why it's too late, such as you need to be young to learn how to code, you need to be good at math, or coding is just extremely difficult to learn. But that's not the case. The truth is, you just have to want it. If you have the desire to learn it, then despite your age, time, etc., you will be able to learn it. It really comes down to your mindset and determination. Now I'm going to give you 3 crucial tips to help you start with your programming journey. Tip number 1, why? Now, before you can start programming, you must consider why you want to learn it altogether. Whether it is building mobile apps, creating games, designing websites, or just having a new skill, knowing the why is essential for the next steps and the entire programming experience altogether. Most people start programming with no sense of purpose and direction, and then get lost and frustrated, and in the end give up on learning because they figured it's too hard, but the real reason is they didn't have a clear purpose or goal. They didn't have a why. Tip number 2, learning the right programming language. Once you have figured out why you want to code, learning the right programming language is necessary. For example, if you want to build a game with an iPhone, learning JavaScript would be of no use and would only waste your time. Instead, you would master Swift and C to build an iPhone game. Or if you wanted to build a website, learning Dart probably wouldn't be the best approach. It would be better and more effective to learn JavaScript or PHP. Tip number 3, where to learn. Now, there are so many places online to learn how to program. Sites such as Udemy, LinkedIn, and Codecademy have several courses on different programming languages, applications, and more. Of course, you have to pay for them if you want to get full access to their content, but the costs are inexpensive and very affordable. I've personally used them to increase my knowledge and skill set, so I do recommend them. Now, before you get too carried away, I do recommend, as well as most professional programmers, is to start off with an easy programming language such as JavaScript or Python. This will ensure that you will learn the necessary concepts such as variables, functions, object-oriented programming, and etc. If you're interested, I've created a free new Python course on my website, technofi.com, teaching you the fundamentals and how to start. I hope this video helped you, and of course, if you have any questions or concerns, ask them in the comment section below, and happy programming!